I'm going to give you the entire commencement address that Josh McDowell gave to his son's graduating class at Biola University about 5 or 6 years ago. The entire address. Are you ready? Imagine you are a parent and you come to hear Josh McDowell give the commencement address. Here's what he did. If you want your life to count for Christ, never, never, never stop developing an intimate relationship with your wife or your husband, and spend a lot of time with your kids. If you want to make sure your life counts for Christ, never, never, never stop developing an intimate relationship with your wife or husband, and spend a lot of time with your kids. Thank you. That was it. Now, do you think that people remembered what he said? So why did he give that commencement address and say those two things? Because he knew that there are certain homes that cause this or are responsible for this. 60% of America's rapists, 63% of America's youth suicides, 70% of America's long-term prison inmates, 70% of America's reform school attendees, 71% of America's teenage pregnancies, 71% of America's high school dropouts, 72% of America's adolescent murderers, 85% of our youth prisoners, 85% of our youth with behavioral disorders, and 90% of our runaways come from fatherless homes, homes without fathers. Fatherless homes. The greatest problem in America today, when it comes to the family, is fatherless homes. In fact, it may be the greatest problem in America, period, other than abortion, because we're killing people in abortion. Number one problem, fatherlessness.